Hello, guys.
Welcome back.
Hi, guys. It's been a while. We faked on the freaking South Carolina vlogs, yo. And I didn't realize till we left South Carolina. I was like, we didn't vlog anything we did. And we had gone to like an amusement park. I wanted to get on the slingshot and nobody wanted to friggin' get on with me. Everybody sucks. Everybody sucks, including him. And then, what else did we do? We went to the mall.
Yeah.
Or to these outlets, I mean. The Tanger outlets that are also down there.
Went to the beach.
You guys also missed out on
Let's go to the waves.
On our 1 year anniversary. We were supposed to go to Olive Garden, but carne asada's back at Chipotle and it's bomb. And so I had Eric take me to Chipotle instead. Because the carne asada would be expensive. And anyways, today we are going to the beach. Because I've been wanting to go to the beach for a while. And it's literally like mid-September.
Mid-September.
More like past mid-September.
Past mid-September.
And we haven't gone to the beach at all. We went to this one little thing that was not, I don't know, I didn't like it. When I go to the beach, I like to swim. I like to be in deep water. And we went to this like shallow little thing. So we're going to the beach today. And we're gonna eat Chipotle there. We got Chipotle, we're gonna eat Chipotle there. And we're gonna have like a little picnic type date thingy. And we're bringing y'all along because we haven't posted it forever. And yeah, guys, my hair is growing. Look. Yeah. And yeah, that's it. I got new glasses because I broke my blue ones. And no, that's it.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go, guys. If you guys watch Facebook, you know where that's from.
Small feet, big discount.
Oh!
It's pretty nice houses just out over here. Which these are like $1 million. Dang, look at that. Oh, wait, that's not a house.
This is nice.
It's a church. That's a nice house.
Yeah, that's a really nice. Giving vacation home.
Vacation home, gated community.
These are all giving vacation home.
Giving millionaires, Joe. Houses over here, Joe. It's like a retirement area. Look at that. That's where George Washington used to live. It's like a house I would build in Minecraft. I think we made it. We're about to cross the bridge, I believe. Welcome to Fred Howard Park.
$5 per vehicle.
Whoa.
Oh, that's good. You don't have to pay $5.
Mucho bucks.
Park
We'll close at sunset. OMG, look at Zebu.
Oh, gosh, you scared me.
Oh, sorry.
Don't do that, you scare me. You really think I'm like going off the road or something. Oh, there's these bums. You made me laugh.
Man, look, we got people kayaking.
It's because I think it's shallow. I think the water's shallow.
Oh, it's pretty nice.
Cause last time we came it was really cold, so we just stayed on the shore. Remember?
That's how that is. There's like there's people kayaking over there.
We should bring our jet ski.
Yeah, our jet ski.
Yeah.
You have a jet ski?
Yeah, this one. Anyways, we're here. And we never been here in the day. The last time we came was at night. But hopefully it's good.
Hopefully we can see a Tiggerone.
I know y'all know what I'm talking about.
No, I think it's just yet.
Y'all, Eric's camera has butt cheeks. Cause how your camera can't film in the sun? That don't make no sense to me. Don't make no sense to me. Anyways, he's got our Chipotle and I'm carrying our stuff. And yeah, that's the vibes. Okay, y'all. Let's go, guys. So, we'll show you our food in a little bit. We're here. We're having a little beach day or whatever. Right, babe? So, I got a carne asada but with chicken. What'd you get? What'd you get? Tell them.
I know two first.
You got a chicken burrito. You got a chicken burrito. Is it yummy? Is Chipotle your life? Chipotle is my life. Y'all, this is so bomb. If y'all haven't had the goodness of from Chipotle, I need to try it. These? And if I had asked, would you have said yes? Exactly. So it's better not to ask. It's like that, guys.
Better not to ask? Wow. That's not what the court said. Better not to ask, he said. I get 20 years in jail. Just still recording.
Chocalito. What? Ahora no tengo con quién jugar.
Going home. Would you like? Would you like?
Yeah.
It's so cold.
Oh my god,
Shaking.
My hair looks disgusting after the water.
It's like a mop. Oh, just kidding. How'd you like this sunset, Jew?
It's amazing. Can you see it on the camera?
Yeah, a little bit.
The sunset, yo. Beautiful, beautiful. Está frío. Let's go, let's go. Watch the sun literally set. Like literally. We're gonna watch it go under the water, y'all. Not under the water, but so pretty. I think everybody comes here for the sunset for real, because everybody's taking pictures and videos. There's actually a beach called Sunset Beach, but it's closed on Sunday, so I think that's why everybody's over here. That's really pretty. It's about to go under, yo. Look, it's disappearing. And it's gone. The sun has officially set.
It dropped. Oh no, you're too dark now, Jew. I cannot see nothing.
Then fix it for you.
That's dropped.
You heard him? He said I looked away for 2 seconds.
Guess that's end of video. Little sunset Zate. How'd you like the piece?
It was fun.
Oh no, you're blurry. Oh.
Unblur, brother.
Hey, that actually worked.
Okay, let's go, Drew.
See ya laser.
Peace.